Listen. Can you hear the air conditioner? Look. Pretty amazing, huh? All down there. Let me zoom in. All behind our trailer. That whole way down there. And look, half the way up here. It was really nice. Of course, they stopped once it got to this slippery part. Look at the rock they dug up. Oh, we have a little lined rockway. Well, they dug up a couple of big ones, didn't they? There's rock here. And these are good rocks. Don't worry, I'm not even thinking about it. I'm taking my time. I'm up this hill. I'm going to pause it, and we'll show you where our transformer is. Looky there. 25 kilovolt, 240 or 110 or 120 volt. There she is. Isn't she beautiful? See if I can get up this. It's a little bit of a steep hill here. Oh my God, they got it on a nice pad and everything. And we got power to build a house. And the hell, they dug up a lot of rock here too. Ain't nowhere ain't rock. Look at that pile of crap there though. We gotta clean this mess out in here if this is gonna be beside our house. I'm gonna have to get a chainsaw. Hey, look, surprise, nothing's moved. Whatever. Oh, that tree's gonna die now. They cut the main root. It's about to fall. Whatever. All right, let's go through here. Oh man, what a mess. Nothing's changed. Was this the fourth day? He must be mating on a water pump. Pain in the ass. So now we got electricity, waiting on the other half. I don't know, somebody's been up here because that thing wasn't open. I don't have bug spray on. I think they've been down a little further. I don't know, maybe not. Somebody's been up here though. Or somebody opened it. Or a bear opened it. I can't tell if somebody's been here or not. Looks like maybe a critter paw. Oh, I'll put my ear up. Oh yeah, no, somebody's been up here. That pipe wasn't there. I don't think. No, that pipe was not there. Let me listen to it. Somebody's been here. Shoot, I forgot my sunglasses. I'm an idiot. I don't have the sunscreen on. It's hot as shit up here. What the hell is this? It looks different. Must be where they're gonna pour it in. Yeah, I think so. I think that's where it pours in. Wow, they got rebarb in there. So they've been up here, maybe yesterday. See the rebarb? See this mess? They're gonna pour the cement in there. It's got rebarb too, so I guess that's gonna be the outside of the garage, maybe. Yeah, it's all tied together with rebarb. My guess is they're gonna pour it in here. It's gonna go down there. And they're going to spread it out. Yep. That's my guess. That's our house. Yep. They got another one of these contraptions over there. Yeah. Oh, what the? Yeah, they're going to try to get the truck up to here, my guess is. Or maybe they're going to, I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. But here's the other one. This must be the other side of our garage. 3-car garage. First time I ever had one of those. How many homes I've had? 3. 1, 2, 3. Is this the 4th home? This is crazy. I guess they're gonna pour it in. Yeah, they're gonna pour it in there. We got 3 bands of rebarb on this side, I guess for the retaining wall. I don't know what I'm looking at, but it looks good to me. We'll try to upload this so you can see the other side, one of those things. I'll go down there so you can see. Okay, so I'm down here now, a little closer, so you can see what's going on. Got rebarb in the footing, rebarb going all the way up this piece of the wall. My guess is that's going to be on the outside, and that connects or stabilizes the garage to the house. I don't know, but it looks like that's where they're going to pour it. Because look, let's show the top of this thing. Isn't that crazy? And then it goes like here,